Hello and welcome everybody. Very pleased to welcome you to today's session through Legal Futures. My name's Safta Mahmood, and today's session I'm taking you through some of the areas and dilemmas surrounding the area of wardship and the use of the inherent jurisdiction, particularly when we're dealing with children cases. Now, as you can imagine, this is an area which it's quite a bespoke area of family law, more so on the children's side. And what I find is people either specialize in this area and do a fair bit of it, or they may do very little. But I would suggest this is an area that's relevant and certainly the need to have an appreciation of for all family practitioners. You need to have an idea about this at least. And today, obviously, I'll be going through this in quite some detail. So I'm going to be taking you through wardship, what it is, how it operates, particularly in children cases. When would you go and use wardship rather than, for example, a specific issue application for the purpose of Section 8 of the Children Act? How does it link with private children law? And how does it link with public law? What kind of disputes does it cover? What are the forms? How do you go about pursuing these applications? And then we'll look at matters surrounding the use of the inherent jurisdiction, which, as you'll see, is an element of the wardship jurisdiction. We'll look at some of the problem areas that have arisen, for example, vaccinations, parental responsibility. COVID obviously still continues to have an impact there. And we'll then look at other matters, personal protection orders, change of name, CSC, i.e. the child sexual exploitation type of cases. And then I'm going to take you through some of the matters surrounding secure accommodation and the use of wardship there, particularly when it comes to deprivation of liberty cases, or DOL orders, as some of you will be familiar with. And then we'll finish off by looking at some of the aspects on nationality as well. Okay, so I'm looking at the law as of May 2023.